Hello, dear friends. Myself, Dr. K.N. Gaikwad, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. We have started SYBSc Botany paper first for semester first. The code of our paper is BO231. We have completed 4 families. Now let us start here study of plant family Solanaceae with reference to systematic position as per Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Silent features, floral formula, floral diagram, and any 5 examples with their economic importance. This is the syllabus of how to study the family Solanaceae. Now let us start systematic position as per Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Now this family belongs to the division Phanerogamy. Phaneros means visible, gamos means marriage, that means flowering plants. Subdivision Angiospermy or Angiosperms. Angios means concealed and sperma means seeds, that means ovules enclosed in ovary wall. This is the distinguishing feature of angiosperm. Then class of family Solanaceae, dicotyledone. Di means 2, cotyledons means cotyledons. Every seed is being shows 2 cotyledons. Leaves shows reticulate venation. Then open vascular bundle. Taproot system are another features or reasons of class dicotyledone. Subclass Gamopetalae. Gamo means fused or united. Petals fused. Stamens epipetalous. Epi means above. Petals are attached on inner side of stamens are attached from inner side of petals. Series of family Solanaceae, bicarpellity. The reasons are the flowers are hypogynous, that means flower is with superior ovary with 2 carpels. Order Polymonials, regular corolla with 5 lobes and 5 alternate stamens are there. And lastly, family Solanaceae. Now these are some diagnostic characters, that is stamens epipetalous, that means attached to the petals. Gynoecium, number of carpels are 2, they are fused, that means syncarpous. Ovary obliquely placed and axile placentation. Ovules many in each locule and type of fruit is capsule or berry. This is the systematic position as per Bentham and Hooker's classification system. Now see, these are some diagrams, pictures of members of family Solanaceae. All members are belong to the family Solanaceae. For example, chili pepper, eggplant, belladonna, petunia, tobacco, potato plant, and bell pepper. Now let us start one by one general features of family Solanaceae. Habit of this family, either herbs or shrubs or trees or lianas, that means woody vines. Mostly all types of the habits are present in this family. Fruits, taproot with fibrous and tuberous. Tuber formations are there. For example, potato tuber. It is the modification of stem for storage of food material. Stem. Stems are aerial, that means the above ground, erect, spinous, sometimes spines are present. Herbaceous means soft and green. Woody in some plant, cylindrical, branched, and modification of stem for tuber formation or storage of the food material. For example, Solanum tuberosum. This is the best example of type of the stem in this family. Third vegetative character, leaves. Sometimes pinnately, they are vein. Phyllotaxy is alternate. Sometimes simple. Small leaf-like structures are absent, that is exstipulate. Often hairy, unicostate, reticulate venation. Unicostate or multicostate reticulate venation is the characteristic feature of all dicot plants. Now let us start reproductive features of this family. Inflorescence, axillary sign, cymose type of influence is there. Sometimes scarpoid sign, that means flowers are arranged in zigzag manner, or helicoid sign. We have studied in a 5BSc, all the successively flowers are developed on one and the same side. It is called helicoid and scarpoid. Scarpoid and helicoid are the subtypes of monocaseal sign. We have studied in a 5BSc. Or umbellate sign is there. Different type of the inflorescences are present in this family. Now let us see reproductive structure. Flower. Flowers are bracted or ebracted. Sometimes bracts are absent, that condition is called ebracted, or sometimes they are present, they are called bracted. Pedicellate, that means the stalk is present. Diclamatus. Pentamerous. Penta means 5. Number of individual flower. Sepals, petals, stamens and carpels are 5 or multiply by 5. Flowers are complete. Complete means all floral whole. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are present. Actinomorphic, that means regular. Actinomorphic means if the flower is cut through any angle, it becomes divided into two equal parts. That condition is called actinomorphic. It is also called regular flower. Outermost whole of flower is calyx. Calyx is made up of sepal. Sepals number is here 5. They are green. Gamosepalous, that means they are fused. Gamo means fuse. And they fuse forming a tube-like structure. It is called tubular. Estivation of sepal is valvate. Valvate means each and every sepal is free from each other. They are not overlapped or no overlapping to each other. Or sometimes imbricate estivation is there. Imbricate means one sepal is inner side, one sepal is outer side, and 3 become alternate. This is the arrangement of sepals. Then corolla. Number of petals are also 5, similar to the sepals. Petals are also 5. They are also fused, gamopetalous. Shape of corolla is funnel shape or rotate or tubular or usually plicate. Now first sexual structure of family Solanaceae, androecium. Stamens 5. They are attached to the petals. That condition is called epipetalous. Alternate with the petals. Not equal in length. That means some are short, some are long. Filaments are inserted in the middle or basal region of corolla tube. That's why they are epipetalous. Anthers 2-celled, called diathecous. They are bilobed. Lobes are 2. Fixation is toward the basal side. Basifix. That means filaments are attached to the base of anther. This condition is called basifix. Sometimes dorsifix. They are attached to the dorsal side. And they dehisce longitudinally after maturation for dehiscence of pollen grain. Example of longitudinal dehiscing, Solanum nigrum. Innermost whole of the flower is gynoecium. Carpels are 2, ori superior. Number of carpels are 2, that means bicarpellary. They are fused, that means syncarpus. Ori with 2 locules, bilocular. Style is very simple, undivided, and shape of the stigma is capitate. Now, fruit, berry or septicidal capsule. We have seen in FIBC what are the different structures of berry and other fruits. In Lycopersicon, esculentum, and in Solanum molongera. The fruit is type berry. Example, tomato. In species of Datura and Petunia, the fruit is capsule. If you observe the Datura or Petunia fruit, the fruit is capsule. And last feature of this family, endospermous. Seeds of Solanum melongena, seeds of Datura. Endosporous seeds are there. Now these are the morphological and reproductive features of family Solanaceae. Now let us see what is the floral formula. The flowers are bractate or ebractate, actinomorphic, bisexual. K means sepal, that means the calyx. Number of sepals are 5. C stand for corolla. Number of petals are 5. They are united. Then androecium. Number of stamens are 5. They are epipetalous. This cap shows epipetalous condition. Gynoecium. Number of carpels are 2. They are syncarpous. That's why here is a bract and superior ovary. My dear students, I am going to read again bractate or ebractate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx, sepals 5, corolla, petals 5, united, androecium, number of stamens are 5, they are epipetalous. Gynoecium, number of carpels 2, syncarpus, superior. And on the basis of floral formula, we can draw floral diagram. Now, this is the floral diagram. This floral diagram shows the ebractate condition. Now, this sign stands for actinomorphic. Now, these are the green colors are sepals. They are fused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Valvate estivation. Corolla. Number of petals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They are fused. Valvate estivation. Then these are the stamens. Number of stamens are also 5. They are attached in the middle, 2 tips of middle of petals. This condition is called epipetalous condition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means stamens are epipetalous. Now this cap stand for epipetalous condition. Now this is the TS of ori. Now this TS of ori shows the 2 carpels, 1 and 2. Axile placentation. Now these are the ovules are attached at the center of fertile placenta and carpels are the 2. Okay, now this is the diagram and this is the floral formula. Lastly, let us see what are the some examples of family Solanaceae and their economic importance. Now, first economic importance for food plants, tuber of Solanum tuberosum, potato, that means batata, are used as common vegetable throughout the world. This is the best example of modification of stem for storage of food material, that is Solanum tuberosum. Then tender fruits of Solanum melongena, that means brinjal, and ripened fruits of Lycopersicum esculentum, that means the tomato, are used as a delicious vegetables. Now these 3 plants are very useful for as a food plants. Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melongena, and Lycopersicum esculentum are used as food plants. Now, for medicinal purpose of family Solanaceae, roots of Atropa belladonna in powerful alkaloid atropine, name of the alkaloid atropine, which is extracted from this plant, and It is used for relieving muscular pain. Second medicinal important, leaves and flowers of Datura stramonium, that means Dothra plant, are the sources of drug stramonium and used to treat asthma and whooping cough. Leaves, flowers are also used for asthma. Then berries of Solanum trilobatum are used to treat cough, and roots and leaves of Vidania somnifera are used to treat nervous disorder and are diuretic apart from useful tonic. That means family Solanaceae members are very economically important to the man. Then third example, tobacco. Scientific name of tobacco is Nicotiana tabacum. The leaves of Nicotiana tabacum contain alkaloids nicotine, narnicotine, and anabasine. Nicotine is considered to be the principal alkaloid in commercial tobaccos, such as cigarette, preparation of bidi, and hookahs, well as chewing and snuffing. Everybody knows what are the importance of tobacco. It is also used as sedative, antispasmodic, and insecticide. Another economically important ornamental plants, that is Sistrum diurnum, day jasmine, in Marathi zai plant, Sistrum ecternum, night jasmine, Petunia hybrid pink flower are grown in gardens for beautiful flowers. Now there are some examples of Solanaceae and their important, for example, food plant, medicine plant, nicotine extractant, tobacco, and some ornamental importance are there. Dear student, on the basis of family Solanaceae, these are some exercises, questions are there. First question is there, describe distinguishing characters of family Solanaceae. Sketch the floral diagram of family Solanaceae. Explain the economic importance of any 5 plants of family Solanaceae, and describe the important features about corolla of Solanaceae. Because there is a diagnostic feature, that is infundibly formed corolla, rotate corolla, tubular corolla are there. They are very attractive in nature. You have to describe the important feature of corolla. Thank you.